Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Today, we're exploring Interlude at Cadence by Richmond American Homes. Introducing Interlude, an exciting new addition to the popular Cadence master plan. This impressive community features an array of attractive two-story floor plans, including options with main-floor guest bedrooms and three-car garages. Located off Boulder Highway in Henderson, the neighborhood is just a short distance from downtown Las Vegas and offers easy access to notable schools, shopping, casinos, parks, and recreation hotspots like Cowabunga Bay Water Park and Chimera Golf Club. Residents will also enjoy the master plan's resort-style amenities, including a pool, water park, playgrounds, athletic courts, a dog park, and a bike share program. Here's a quick look at the route from the Bellagio Fountains to Interlude at Cadence.
Hello everybody, this is a bonus footage. This is the man-made lake here at Cadence Community Park and plenty of parking inside this community. Plus, you will enjoy this circular pathway where you can jog, walk your dogs or your kids. Definitely amazing to have this, right? This is just a portion of it. There's also a huge park there and I'm gonna show you the sign here. Okay, let's do that. Hello everybody, this is a bonus footage. I'm in front of this sign here at the Grand Central Park here at Cadence, and I'm super excited for you guys to see this in person. As you can see, a lot of people are here walking their dogs, their kids, and there's a playground for the kids here as well. It's a massive Grand Central Park overlooking the beautiful Las Vegas Strip, so I can't wait for you to enjoy living in Cadence, Henderson.
Choose your dream floor plan. Coronado floor plan, starting at $617,950. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 2,730 square feet, 2-story home. The main floor of the Coronado offers comfortable spaces for both working and entertaining. Enjoy a great room, an open morning room with a covered patio, and a gourmet kitchen complete with a center island and a walk-in pantry off the mudroom. A bedroom and full bath are also included. Upstairs, discover a convenient laundry room, a generous loft, and 3 inviting bedrooms, including a relaxing primary suite with an attached bath and an expansive walk-in closet. These are the available exterior designs for the home, along with the standard floor plan. Seth floor plan, starting at $662,950. 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, 3-car garage, 2,940 square feet, 2-story home. The Seth welcomes guests with a charming covered entry and continues to impress with a great room, a formal dining room, and a gourmet kitchen featuring a center island, double oven, and walk-in pantry. An additional bedroom and full bath are also located on the main floor. Upstairs, you'll find 3 comfortable bedrooms, a laundry room, a full bath, and an airy loft. The lavish primary suite includes 2 walk-in closets and a private bath with a separate tub and shower or an optional walk-in shower. An extended covered patio is also included. These are the available exterior designs for the home, along with the standard floor plan. Sage floor plan, starting at $692,950. 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 3,280 square feet, 2-story home. The Sage Plan offers versatile spaces for living, working, and entertaining. Gather in the spacious great room or dining area, both open to the gourmet kitchen with a large center island and walk-in pantry. Or take the party outside to the covered patio with center meet doors. The study-optional guest bedroom is thoughtfully separated from the main living areas for added privacy. Upstairs, you'll find comfortable bedrooms, a primary suite with a private bath, a teen room, and a convenient laundry room. These are the available exterior designs for the home, along with the standard floor plan. Hemingway floor plan, starting at $609,950. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, 2,640 square feet, 2-story home. The popular Hemingway plan greets guests with a charming covered front porch. The main floor features a study, an inviting great room, and an open dining area that flows into a gourmet kitchen with a center island and an adjacent mudroom with a walk-in pantry. On the second floor, you'll find a central laundry room, a versatile loft, and 4 generous bedrooms, including a lavish primary suite with an oversized walk-in closet and an optional deluxe bath. These are the available exterior designs for the home, along with the standard floor plan. Here are the homes currently available at Interlude at Cadence. Want to see where your future home could be? Check out the community site plan to explore all available home sites. Ready to make Interlude at Cadence your new home? Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 and let's find your dream home together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and like this video to stay updated on new communities and exclusive offers. Remember, your dream home is only a call away.